good, guys? It's Pierre, Montana, live here on Montana Adventures. Tonight, we fishing on the green.
For sure.
Okay, man, tell them what we got today, man.
We about to get out here on Lake Lanier, boys, and tear in some striped bass. That's exactly what we're going to do. We got Pierre with us. Hey, we got him on the green lights for the first time. Tell me about it, Pierre.
Hey, we're gonna go out here and do what I know how to do, man.
Pause. Doing it too fast. You're doing too fast. Look at me. Look at me. I'm video. Yeah, I was about to say, I'm video. Send him back home right there. You just put him in the water.
You recording?
All right, absolutely.
Okay, we're gonna send this boy back home.
Show me how it's doing.
I fish on the green lights, my boy Matt.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck them, man.
He's gone.
Good shit. Yes, sir.
Out here on Lake Lanier, baby. Got a couple of fatties.
Timo.
Send them home, boys. Put them in the water. Absolutely. Send them on home, boys.